Today is Wednesday, October 2nd. This is the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Turbine wheel rim. This is for my friend Chris in Michigan. The unit's been taken down to bare metal and powder coated. Absolutely beautiful. Looks like brand new. And this is going to be for detailing of the trunk as part of the configuration of the spare tire. Okay. And the unit was taken down to bare metal, sprayed with a ceramic undercoating, and then in the original chassis black, number 10 chassis black, and baked in the oven under time temperature. Absolutely beautiful. There's nothing better than the powder coating of these wheels as opposed to the traditional wet spray. Okay. Absolutely beautiful show quality wheel rim. Inside and out. And this will be shipping today to my friend Chris in Michigan. Alrighty, this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorado. I have 75,000 parts specific to the Eldorado from 67 through 78. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, such as these wheel rims. Today is Wednesday, October 2nd. Thank you very kindly.